So the 5/8 inch, I got this 100 feet. I'm gonna use this to my backyard, and this is to the side of my home, the 50 feet, and this will be enough. Try to get it from Walmart, local Walmart. If you buy this online, probably it costs somewhere around $50 or $60. Amazon basically carry this type of brand, and if you buy it from eBay, I don't know how much it costs, but you can try it as well. But I highly recommend you guys buy from local Walmart. You have 90 days return policy, and this one is a limited lifetime warranty. As long as you guys take a picture of your garden hose, of your receipt, and as much as possible, keep this as well for your future reference, because manufacturing company, if in the event that this thing will burst, you see some bursa or either some pinhole to the side, you can call the company, the Expert Gardener, and they probably send you a new one. I don't know if they will charge you for shipping, but this is so cheap, for $20, if you are able to use this more than 6 years. My heavy duty Expert Gardener that I use it in my front, in front of my home, I still have it. I don't have any issue that it leaks. That's why I buy another one. Don't buy the Gilmore like that. Gilmore can last for almost 3 years. And as you see, I have a pinhole to that side, and I decided to get a new brand, which is Expert Gardener. I have this before, almost 6 years already. Now it's counting to 7. Hopefully that garden hose can last for 10 years. And as a user of different brand, I highly recommend this Expert Gardener. As what I said a while ago, I have this in front of my home. I basically water my palm tree and some of the grafted citrus fruits that I have in front of my home. I have a lemon as well, and I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. If you like my YouTube channel, if you think my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you, or bye for now. God bless.